Hello, and welcome to another update video on ADA. I'm here on the short-term chart in, I think it was on Saturday, I think it was. Yeah, on Saturday in the video I covered the larger time frame. So today I think it makes sense only to cover the shorter time frame because let's be honest, not too much has happened. We start to see some short-term upside. Some short-term upside movements, let's say it like that, here on the 1 hour time frame, but we haven't broken above resistance yet. The price has broken above the upper boundary line of our triangle pattern there. Remember, I'm intentionally not tracking it as a proper Elliott Wave triangle, just because it isn't one, or at least it's not very clear. And triangles often fail, you know. But I have added obviously these trend lines, but that's not the same as an Elliott Wave triangle. I see two main pathways here, as I said before. Either we are, base case, we bottomed on the 10th of October. That in itself is speculative at this point, but that's the base case. So if we bottomed, this could be a 5-wave move up. It's difficult to identify from the 10th of October low because I explained that today in the member live stream on many of these charts we were looking at. Look, we don't really have much microstructure. I can't change that, right? There's just not much there. I mean, this could be maybe an internal 4th wave. This could be a 5th wave up of wave 1. And now this is some kind of a wave 2 pullback with support between 47.3 cents and 59.3 cents. Yeah. And so the idea is this could be an A wave down, kind of an A, B, C up in wave 2. Sorry, wave B. Wave A down, wave B up, and then a wave C down in wave 2. So A, B, C. This will become, in my opinion, less likely if we break above resistance. Now, I can definitely see the potential that ADA is breaking out directly, but I just don't see the momentum yet. On some charts, this looks a little bit more likely. On some charts, a little less likely. But it really depends on how the market reacts to this pivot. It's between 67.8 cents and 71.8 cents. This is our Fibonacci resistance area. The market could, start to move above this initial pivot, and this would then open the door to a rally to 82.7 cents. We really need a break above this area to be more comfortable with the idea that we really bottomed already in wave 2. Now, we reached already this Fibonacci support zone. From that point of view, it is, I would say, the second most likely option at the moment that we bottomed. And I can definitely see the potential for a direct breakout because a lot of people are now bearish because the price has crashed on the 10th of October. And let's just imagine we now get only shallow pullbacks and we break out in November. Yeah, it will leave a lot of people on the sidelines. And that is just so typical. It would be so typical for the crypto sector, especially this cycle. It's just an absolute mess. And it is what it is. We have to, it's just something. I just see some 5 waves up here as well, right? And I see 5-wave movements across the sector. It's just that, how much can we trust them? I wouldn't trust them. I mean, they can be traded as long as the levels are holding. I have to say this blue scenario, is valid as long as we're holding above the 22nd of October low at 60.7 cents. So this is valid, but we would need a break above initial resistance at the very least to make that more likely. And then, a break above the green line would help to even more confirm that bullish momentum. Until then, I cannot rule out another dip, of course. That would be probably a larger ABC structure in that case. But in that case, Circle Wave B has likely not topped yet. A break below the 22nd of November low, 22nd of October low, here at around 60.5, 60.6 cents would confirm that further. This would confirm further that the B wave has topped and we're moving down in a C wave, potentially targeting 55.5 to 51.9 cents. That's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then feel free to also follow us on our other channels, for example. You can also join the MCO community, join the membership. You can watch our live stream recording from today. I think we covered around 30 to 40 coins again. And also make sure you follow us on X for additional charts, updates, and news. Thanks so much. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.